niguo Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta anyitirwo ugeni Thukuru-ini wa National Defence College mwena wa Karen guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Thukuru uyu uheanaga mathomo ma mwanya kuri maabitha a mbiraru a ikiro itiganite, undumwe na aruti a wira a thirikari. Umuthi President Uhuru Kenyatta akiuhe kiambiriria kieru. Thukuru uyu riu ni urikitie kwambatirio ngathi na gutua university na uriheanaga mathomo ma ikiro ngurani ta degree undumwe na masters. President akiuga gikino kiambiriria gia kuwikira hinya.
I note with a lot of pride that, for instance, under the new arrangement, the National Defence College will now offer a master's degree in national security and strategy. This is an invaluable opportunity for scholars and practitioners in the defense and security domain to research and learn in a unique multi-agency environment.
Kuheo marua na gutuika university kuigire thukuru uyu wa mbiraru mafu-ini ya gukorwo uri thukuru uri uheanaga kothi cia mwanya guku bururi-ini.
This is a major achievement that I believe puts Kenya's defense and national security architecture at a completely new level.
General President no ekirire wira igongona ria kuhumbo thumbi kuri amwe arutwo aria marikitie mathomo mao.
To the graduating class in front of us, I take this very early opportunity once again to congratulate you on taking your place of honor with the conferment of the award that you have received today.
Gerifotera Kameme TV retora kone no gari wa Kamau.